On June 20th, 2024, police were alerted to a stolen vehicle from a Walmart in Pocahontas. The suspect was believed to be under the influence of intoxicants. When a trooper located the vehicle and attempted a traffic stop, suspect initially pulled over, then suddenly accelerated and fled northbound, initiating a high-speed pursuit.
Red Corvette.
Okay, go ahead.
Be Highway 63 here at the red light at Walnut Ridge with Adam William 55 Sam.
10-4. Jonesboro C12, are you correct? Yeah, or it could be 1019 dollars. Okay.
Roll the windows down.
Jonesboro Troop C, 1063 for C48.
48 Jonesboro, it's starting to take off.
10-4.
Run the red light here, Walnut Ridge taking off. It's 1037 northbound on 63.
10-4, 810. Jonesboro C4, is you correct? 4 10-4 to red. 10-4.
Stop the car.
31 Jonesboro, 10-4.
An off-duty officer had first spotted the vehicle earlier, and the trooper confirmed suspect was driving on a suspended license. During the chase, she passed cars on the shoulder, ran a red light, and reached speeds of 113 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone. The trooper attempted to stop her verbally while driving beside her, but she ignored commands.
10-4, northbound, past 67. What's your speed and traffic?
Be 113 light traffic.
Simple.
Don't crash out. Pull the car over, girl. I doubt she's armed. I don't figure she is. I don't want to tear this little boy's car up. Sarah, pull the car over. Stop the car, Sarah. Sarah, just stop the car. Pull over so you don't get hurt, Sarah. Just stop the car.
A pit maneuver was performed, sending the vehicle into a ditch. When suspect tried to escape again, the trooper used his push bumper to block her in. After repeated verbal commands, she finally exited the vehicle and was taken into custody. On June 15th, 2025, Trooper and FTO Dwayne Niles were stationed at North Little Rock Police Department when ASP dispatch advised that Jacksonville PD was in an active pursuit heading south on I-57 and nearing McCain.
Scoot up.
TV on?
Yep.
Alright, it's attempting a TV on.
Push. There you go. That'll break. Perfect.
TV on.
Perfect. About 3. Just get on the back side, right?
You're setting yourself off. There you go.
Now we're going to get a lot of fire.
Get down!
No, they're doing the calls,
Okay.
so we're just here to support.
Just 1 minute later, the trooper performed a successful pit maneuver, bringing the pursuit to an end. Both officers exited their vehicle and assisted Jacksonville PD with a felony takedown. The suspect was secured without further incident. On May 14th, 2025, a trooper observed a silver Saturn with a broken brake light on Highway 38. The driver suddenly swerved into the opposite lane and stopped, then continued driving despite emergency lights and siren.
Seven on the right, 1024.
Number 79.
38 Tracy. Adam William Ida, 02 Sam. AWI 02S. 10 Saturn.
Missouri tag 2 Frank Charles, Edward 84, 2 FC 84. Yeah.
Seven on the right, please continue. Turn on the north stagecoach. I'm just going to TBI him here in just a second.
Give me a minute. We're on 2
Harpole drove slowly, refusing to stop, and turned onto North Stagecoach. Fearing a high-speed pursuit, the trooper performed a pit maneuver at Charles Drive. The car spun and came to a stop. Harpole was ordered out and taken into custody without further issues.
Lay down right here. Lay down right there. Lay down on the ground, I will tase you. Yeah. Yeah, if you can make it, that's fine. Yeah, I got you.
Harpole showed signs of alcohol use, slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, and alcohol odor. He admitted drinking, but refused breath testing or sobriety tests. The vehicle was towed, and Harpole was booked into jail. He declined to sign DWI paperwork, but confirmed he understood his rights.